All rise. The acting chaplain will now invoke the divine blessing. Everyone, parade, rest.
Our Heavenly Father, the high and mighty ruler of the universe, who looks down upon the government of men, we earnestly ask your favor to bless our native land and preserve in purity and integrity its free institutions for all coming time. Keep green in our minds the memory of those who sacrificed so much that the life of the nation might be preserved.
A big ball game coming up Monday night against the Fighting Irish of Notre Dame. Can anybody here tell me why the Fighting Irish is called the Fighting Irish?
Chaplain William Corby
Okay.
of the Irish Brigade.
Okay. Well, he wasn't actually with the Irish Brigade. He was a chaplain attached to the 3rd Corps. And on July 2nd, 1863, he gave absolution to 3 Irish regiments of the Irish Brigade before they went into action in the wheat field and the peach orchard. Corby became the first president of Notre Dame in 1890. And when they were setting up the curriculum and the staff and everything else, somebody said this school has got to have a motto. We have a name. And he said, we will be called the Fighting Irish in memory of those brave soldiers I gave absolution to on July 2nd, 1863. And that's why they are called the Fighting Irish. And we're still going to whoop them Monday night.